Hi guys, so today I'm here at the Shahpur Jat market in Delhi and this is the hidden gem in Delhi for wedding shopping. अगर आपको इस मार्केट के बारे में आइडिया नहीं है तो आओ मेरी वीडियो एंड तक देखना. फ्रॉम ज्वेलरी टू फुटवेयर टू वेडिंग आउटफिट्स, कॉकटेल आउटफिट, एवरीथिंग. दिस इज द वेडिंग पैराडाइज एंड यू हैव टू वॉच टू द एंड. कम. So guys, we are here at the first store, which is Silky Bindra. So if you're looking for some very beautiful and affordable embellished wear, you definitely need to visit the store. Come with me. So this piece on the mannequin is my absolute favorite. It has crystals, it has a beautiful crop top with a dori here, very silhouette fishtail kind of a skirt it has, such a long trail, beautiful. You can have your very own red carpet moment with this outfit. ऐसे कपड़ों को देख के मन करता है मैं शादी कर लूँ, कोई मेरे किसी के आसपास शादी हो जाए. It's so pretty. This is gota patti का काम with mirror work. Has such a beautiful flair. They have such beautiful sharara sets, such a pretty blouse. It's a full set. And what is the price range for this one? 28,000. The entire collection of yellows. You see all the kind of hues from olive greens, mehendi greens to rusty oranges to nets to haldi yellows. They have every bit of it. Oh, lovely. They have a beautiful emerald green piece as well. And मैम नॉर्मली आपका प्राइस रेंज कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाता है?
मैम लहंगे का स्टार्टिंग तो 32 है.
लहंगे का स्टार्टिंग 32 है ना?
बट 18, 16,
18.
जी 15 में मैम.
Okay, so this is for 15,000 and this is a set.
Yes.
इसके नीचे और प्लाजोज हैं with this is the plazo and it has a beautiful mirror work. So your pieces start from 10-15 and can go up to depending on the customization.
Only
how
kaftan है.
Oh, I love this one too. You can see. Absolutely lovely colors, rusty orange with such beautiful embellishments and such girly blouses. I love it. And किसी को अगर sleeves वगैरह डलवाने हो तो सारा customize हो जाता है. And how many days does it take for customization?
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Yes.
Oh, this is a frock style. This is a very beautiful frock style peplum sharara set. Beautiful color. I love the dupatta. It's so pretty. I wear it.
Yes.
शादी कर लो आप दोबारा. Actually, you need to get remarried. मैं आपकी शादी में आना चाहती हूँ और मैं शादी में पहनूंगी. I really wish I could wear it and show it to you guys, but we have a lot of stores to explore yet. So guys, this was Silky Bindra store. The store number is 419. 419 store number है. So you have seen the entire collection. Now it's time to go to the second store. So guys, this is the most popular Dada Jangi Lane. बहुत लोगों को लगता है Dada Jangi Lane is different from Shahpur Jat, but ऐसा नहीं है. This is one of the streets in Shahpur Jat, like the Gora Street. This is the Dada Jangi Lane, and they are different kind of designers, and all are homegrown designers. They have very different collections. Some are cocktail oriented, some are menswear, some are footwear wear. You can have a look. Such beautiful stores. This is one beautiful store, Ankur J. They specialize in both women's wear and menswear. So come with me. So they have an entire range of menswear collections. So usually, you know, लड़कों को बहुत दिक्कत होती है हम शादियों के कपड़े कहाँ से खरीदें. So you have to come to Shahpur Jat. Very beautiful, very earthy. They have beautiful embroidery. पूरा mirror का काम है in such subtle ways. They have vests, they have complete sets. This is their entire menswear collection. Now coming to the women's wear, they have very beautiful, heavily embellished pieces. अगर आपको over the top जाना है ना, आपको एकदम शादी वाली feel चाहिए कि मैं एकदम हट के एकदम अलग से दिखूं, these are the kind of pieces you should go for. So coming to this entire मैंने नहीं किया. So this is the entire Pret collection which has very beautiful ethnic motifs. So अगर आपकी wedding का theme थोड़ा abstract है, आपकी शादी राजस्थान side है और थोड़े colorful and playful vibe आपको देनी है तो you can go for this kind of pieces. So guys, we are here at a third stop and this is on the first floor of Dada Jangi Lane. So this is a hidden gem. आपको नीचे नहीं दिखेगा but अगर आपको नाम पता है तो आप यहाँ पे आ सकते हो. The store name is Atse and this is in Dada Jangi Lane. So come with me. I'll show you their collection. So this is the entire store. You can see they have Pret, they have Western, they have very different kind of varieties. And इनकी सबसे बड़ी specialization ये है कि they can make any piece which is customizable. अगर आपको किसी celebrity पे कोई piece दिखता है या फिर आपको कोई Pinterest पे outfit समझ में आता है, you can come here, show the design, and आपको exact same piece they'll make it for you in a very affordable price range. This entire range, like you see, starts from 20,000 rupees. Am I right? So it starts from 20,000 rupees. This entire Pret collection. So like you see, this particular piece at Atse is just for 25,000. It's a complete set with the blouse, with the lehenga and the dupatta, and for 25,000 rupees the work is so amazing. This is one of their pieces, and what is the price for this one? 24,000. It's a beautiful cape set. So I'm coming to their more couture collection, which is very on the heavy side, and let me show you the stock room. This is any girl's paradise. See the work, it's so amazing. So I'll tell you about the price range of this store. It starts from 25,000. So all the capes that you see on that side, all these capes, they are from 25,000, 20,000, 25,000 range. These particular gowns, they start from 25,000 and can go up to 35,000. Maximum इस store पे 1,20,000 से ऊपर का कोई सामान नहीं है. Now you can see all their heavy lehengas. They start from 50 to 60,000. They can go up to, depending on the work. If you see, they have very beautiful embellished feather gowns, crystal gowns. It's a fish cut gown. Absolutely stunning. They have a very beautiful skirt and a top piece. This is a crop top with the skirt. If you see, सामने से they have a very beautiful detailing. पूरा crystals पूरे उसमें लगा हुआ है. One more piece that I saw, beautiful. If you are a person who's looking for some feathers and gathers, if you are a person who likes to be a little more on the high-end elevated side, such pieces make you look very royal. It's beautiful. It's a pre-stitched sari. So guys, this was Atse's store. So if you are looking for something very customizable, you have to visit the store. It's in Dada Jangi Lane, Shahpur Jat Market, first floor. So sir, नीचे नहीं घूमना है, आपको ऊपर आके भी देखना है कि क्या-क्या stores है, क्योंकि ऊपर भी बहुत सारी variety है जो आपको नीचे से समझ नहीं आती. So Shahpur Jat में आपको unique collection मिलता है, आपको affordable collection मिलता है, and a lot of people don't know about this market, which is actually very surprising to me because I've been coming here for 5 years. So Dada Jangi Lane also has a lot of jewelry shops like Preeti and Mohan. They have like very heavy kundan and pearl jewelry. This is Liz Paul. आपने इसको Instagram पे बहुत ज़्यादा देखा होगा. So this is one of their stores. गजल गुप्ता का जो wedding store है वो भी यहीं पे है. समन चौहान भी यहाँ पे है. It's a complete designer based market. तो कोई भी चीज़ यहाँ पे retail पे नहीं है, कोई भी चीज़ किसी vendor से खरीदी नहीं गई है. हर बंदा यहाँ पे design कर रहा है and they all have their stores. That's the beauty of Shahpur Jat Market. जैसे आप दादा जंगी लेन से बाहर आते हो, बहुत ही एक डिस्टिंक्टिव स्टोर है फॉर पोटलीज एंड बैग्स. यू हैव टू विजिट द स्टोर फला. हर तरह का बैग का वैरायटी आपको यहाँ पे मिल सकता है. यू कैन सी स्ट्रक्चर्ड बैग्स, मून बैग्स, मिरर बैग्स. आपको अपनी पूरी बैग की शॉपिंग, सारी बैग की शॉपिंग यहीं से हो सकती है. जिस टाइप का भी आप बैग सोच सकते हैं, सारी बैग की वैरायटी आपको यहाँ पे एक ही शॉप पे मिल जाएगी. फ्रॉम कॉकटेल टू मेहंदी टू वेडिंग to everything. Let me tell you, bags बहुत important होते हैं हम लड़कियों के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे लहंगों में पॉकेट्स नहीं होती. So हम सबको एक छोटा सा बैग for our stuff. We have to carry our lipsticks and our phones. So you need to carry something very distinctive in your hand. Outfit अच्छा हो, बैग नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ी चलता है. So guys, this is one of my favorite store and I have to show you the collection. This is Vandana Sethi store and let me show you कितना प्यारा collection है. ये मेरा अपना personal favorite brand है. Come. Yes, this is for brides and this is for 35,000 and 35,000 से your range starts.
That's
right? It's a beautiful piece. This reminds me of Ye Jamani and Diwali, what Deepika Padukone wore na, the same vibe it has.
This is also my colorful. This is
Colorful,
like the
fun
happy
vibe.
collection. I call this as a happy
collection. And it starts from like 35,000.
This starts from 35,000 and you can team it up with anything. With that I have a beautiful backless blouse like this.
Very nice. For a wedding in Rajasthan or a very playful theme of wedding, this can look very pretty together.
This is my peacock collection.
Peacock collection, lovely.
It's all
beautiful
peacock colors.
And these are the pieces you can never get at Chandni Chowk at a retail store. Never.
Not at all. See, that's the halter blouse again. This comes with the belt.
Love it.
And this is a mix and match collection. So I have the whole collection here.
Okay.
You can do any lehenga, any blouse.
Right.
Sometimes you can team it up with the red also.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
This is for the pop-up. And I wish to show you, do we have the red tassels here? See, for the dupatta we put a back finish of the red.
Oh, lovely.
Just to give that pop-up touch.
And very abstract and contemporary.
Absolutely.
Love the pattern, the print of it.
And then if somebody wants to wear a heavier one, they can go for this.
This kind of a piece. Beautiful in black and gold with
black
all the
and gold.
mirrors.
Correct. This again you can go with
With
the
this-
very, I'll show you a fun blouse. See this.
Ah, lovely. It
That's
look beautiful
even
together.
more
And if
gorgeous.
somebody wants to have a cape or a dupatta, it's up to them, and you can customize that.
Absolutely.
Otherwise, it's a crop top and a skirt set.
Correct,
Beautiful.
correct. This one, 1,25,000.
1,25,000.
But it starts at 55,000.
Very
Actually,
beautiful.
I have lots of stuff. Then this is a boho collection.
I love this one. Oh. So if you want to go for a very fun blouse, you can definitely go for such a contemporary blouse piece.
You can do the boho with stuff.
So if you're a bridesmaid or you're from bride's team, you can definitely go for a pant and top set.
Yeah.
So this is the blouse, one shoulder blouse, and a variety of blouses.
So this is the smallest size of the bead that I've used. The very small.
Okay, and
You don't
उसको
get a
weave
smaller
करके
size.
you have
Weave
made it.
करके और इसके अंदर 0 नंबर की नीडल जाती है. उससे ज़्यादा जाएगी नहीं.
जाएगी नहीं. So guys, this is Vandana Sethi and her collection is here. You can see from the playful charm to white and ivories. I've shown the entire collection. I personally have been obsessed with her collection for years now. Just look at this particular tuxedo, the beautiful work it has. I've never seen actually a guy wearing this kind of a piece except the red carpets. So ये पूरा store is completely dedicated to menswear. You can see it's a complete menswear store. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि लड़कों के लिए शादी में ऑप्शन नहीं होते, बहुत ऑप्शन होते हैं, बस आपको पता होना चाहिए खरीदना कहाँ से. So this is also very near to Dada Jangi Lane. As soon as you exit from Dada Jangi Lane, you will see Sunil Jaiswal का पूरा store. These are all the kurtas. They have all kind of blazers, tuxedos and vests. ये सारा वेस्ट है इनके. हर कलर, हर वैरायटी, हर मटेरियल मिल जाएगा. एवरीथिंग इज कस्टमाइजेबल. लाइक यू सी दिस पीस, इफ यू आर over the top kind of a guy and if you want to look very distinctive in a wedding, you can definitely go for such tuxedos. They look amazing in weddings. और ऐसे pieces आपको बनवाने जाओगे बहुत महंगे पड़ते हैं. इससे better है आओ pieces check out करो, जो पसंद आए उसमें customize करवा लो. We are here at Naina Kapoor store and yeah, they have every kind of collection for the brides, for the bridesmaid. Come, I'll show you the collection.
We are specializing this from Tamil Nadu. We are getting it
Oh,
done.
this has such a beautiful drape.
Yeah, it has a side drape,
Lovely.
Krishna on it, and then this is the blouse with this kind of a side drape.
What is the price range for this one?
This is for 65,000.
एक तो राधा कृष्णा है इस पे और पूरा there's a touch of the entire Indian handicraft. And how much this one costs?
This is for around 165.
165. And it's a mainstream bridal outfit, right? For her sangeet or anything.
Actually, girls want these days ivory pieces.
Ivory pieces. Ivory is the trend of the
Ivory is
season,
trend.
yeah.
So something like this, if you want for
Oh,
brides.
yeah, this is a complete bridal piece.
Yes.
So you do the double dupatta also.
Yes, yes.
वो customize हो जाता
One
है.
dupatta we can do even ivory, or either we can do a bandhani or gharchola dupatta,
हाँ,
a red dupatta.
Red
That
dupatta.
looks really nice.
Right. So guys, this was Naina Kapoor's collection and such a beautiful collection. The Radha Krishna one was my favorite. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite.
ये गोरा फैशन स्ट्रीट है.
So guys, this is my last stop and I'm at Nidisha Kashyap's store. This is one of my favorite stores and this is on the Gora Street. So from Dada Jangi Lane, we have now come to Gora Street. So if you want some very minimalistic pieces that are very trendy but they are not that heavy, this is your go-to store. Like you can check, this is a beautiful set. There's a beautiful embellishment. The colors are so pretty. I've always loved her colors. The color palette has always been very playful. And yes, this is a beautiful piece. Then you see the fuchsia one. So this is a complete pre-stitched sari. And what is the price for this? This is one is 36,000 and this one, the pink one, same. And the kind of designs she has is the reason that I love coming to the store. So if you have a day wedding or a day wedding to attend to, such a piece can look very, very fresh. These are very fresh colors and it's a beautiful gown with a dupatta. It's a one piece. And what's the price for this one? 32,000. Okay. So guys, this was my tour of Shahpur Jat Market and I tried showing you my favorite stores here, but of course there are like n number of stores here, so you can come here and check it out. And I hope अगर आपके घर में शादी है, फिर आपको शादी की शॉपिंग के रिगार्डिंग कुछ भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए थी, जानना था कहाँ से खरीद सकते हैं, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल थी. And if you like this video, do subscribe and also let me know if you want to see a part 2. Bye.